Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I realized I haven't done like just a regular day in the life sort of vlog in a while. So today I thought I would take you guys along with me on a more casual kind of Tuesday in the life of an artist, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Real quick, I wanted to thank Poshmark today for sponsoring my channel and this video. In case you guys haven't heard yet, Poshmark is a really awesome app you can use to buy or sell fashion. You can find many brand names on the app such as Nike, Michael Kors, Adidas, and for me, personally, it's a really great place for me to do some spring cleaning since my closet is getting a little bit crammed and there are so many things I have that I've never used that I think would be put to way better use if they were adopted by a new loving home. Here are the items that I'm listing for sale in my closet. Feel free to check them out and make an offer if you want. We got two never before worn new with tags cute little party dresses, a Michael Kors laptop case, a Kate Spade purse, and this adorable little cat t-shirt. Most of these have either never been worn or only used once. And if you're interested in Poshmark, I will be leaving a link in the description which you can follow to download the app for free and to create your very own closet. And if you don't mind, I'd love to see what you guys have to share, so feel free to leave your closet handles in the comments. Hi boogers. Hi booger face. She is too much. You are too cute, my lovely princess. I also wanted to show you guys a quick sneak peek at some new concept sketches that I made last night for my solo show. Here is one that I'm planning to make into a 16 by 20 piece, so slightly larger. She's going to be, I think, a more Asian or ancient Chinese style mermaid with some dark black hair, Chinese hair ornaments, and I'm thinking maybe a koi fish pattern for her tail and scales, and of course my favorite water lily swamp, and I'm probably gonna have it set in the evening so that we can see the moon and stars. This one I'm going to make into an 11 by 14 piece. She has a little unicorn horn, or I guess in the mermaid context she'd be like a narwhal. And I'm going to feature two little fish from my fiance's reef tank. So we're going to have a red-headed blenny and maybe another blenny or some sort of goby here. But yeah, pretty excited. These two are going to be 8 by 10s. The one on the left, she's going to be kissing or whispering with a cuttlefish, which is one of my favorite ocean creatures. They change color. They're super, super cool. And the one on the right, she's going to have a bunch of little jellyfish and jellyfish tentacles like entangled in her hair. So yeah, these two are going to be smaller ones. And then these are things that I may or may not use. This one I'll probably pass because I just didn't like the pose or composition very much. I didn't even bother finishing the face details. This one, I really wanted to feature some sort of like open skeleton concept with, and I just quickly scribbled this, but just some sort of corals and wild creatures underneath, like coming out of her. But I don't know, I feel like it might be too similar to a previous painting I've done. This one I'm going to make into a horizontal 11 by 14. She's going to be kind of laying on the ocean floor, and there's going to be little, again, like things growing out of her chest. I'm obsessed with opening up the anatomy and having things grow out of it. But yeah, like little corals and maybe some seaweed and some fish floating around it. I think it'll look pretty cool. Yep, and that's about it for my new concept sketches, and I can't wait to turn these into paintings. Okay, I know I said I've been doing too many montages lately in my vlogs, but I just really quickly have to show you guys this wedding I was a part of this past weekend. It was just absolutely perfect. The bride looked so beautiful. I really loved our bridesmaid dresses. It was like the perfect day in a perfect location, and I just thought it deserves a quick little montage segment. also received these new Trickle hardboard artist panels that have been pre-primed. I'm so excited to use them. They're very comparable to gesso boards, which you guys know has been my favorite surface to paint on. So yeah, these are pretty much the same thing, just different brands. And I've decided today to also film a video talking about my favorite painting surfaces, or I guess the different painting surfaces I've worked on. So we're gonna go through hardboard / gesso board. We're gonna talk about wood, birch mainly, vellum, which is a nice little paper substitute, and of course canvas. So can't wait to get this video out for you guys. Also, here is a little update on this mermaid painting, which I worked on during the live stream today. The lighting is really awkward. I have this really bright light that is perfect for recording time lapses, but for some reason I think it's the angle. It's not really showing off the darks as much as I need. Like on the shot, for some reason, like this part looks really dark, but these look really washed out and gray. Ooh, I know what'll fix it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of Liquin, pardon my messy palette. Liquin is a fast drying medium that also adds a little bit of gloss. I'm just gonna take some pure Liquin. Of course, there's really no purpose in me doing this other than to show you guys. But if I brush the Liquin over the piece, you can see the shadows pop out more. It's almost like glazing it. Of course, normally Liquin, I use it when I'm actually painting to mix with my oil paint to make it dry faster and, you know, I guess improve the gloss. But since my camera is being wonky today, I'm gonna show you guys how the Liquin gloss brings out the dark hues, the dark tones, I mean, of my painting. Wow, this actually worked. What do you know? See, this patch that I used the Liquin on over here looks way more noticeably vibrant and luminous and deep. And then these parts up here are, I guess when they dry kind of matte. Different colors have different drying properties. So some colors dry really glossy, some colors dry really matte. So sometimes you need like a varnish or a medium to even things out. But yeah, in the end, when I'm done with this whole piece, I'm gonna varnish it. So the varnish will also do the same effect. It'll make things look more pronounced, and you know, just all the colors and shadows will just pop. So yeah, well, I'm almost done with this. I feel like I have maybe a few hours left, 2 to 3 hours. I hope not too much longer, because I really am eager to share this video and this piece with you guys. Hello, sleepy girl. Hi, sleepy girl. This is her corner. She has claimed this corner. Mushroom, Mushroom, why are you going crazy with that toy? It's time for everybody to be fed. Are you enjoying your chicken boogers? Molly, you ready for yum yum? Molly, you ready for yum yum? Molly, twirl. I love her dance when she wants to get food. Come here, Molly. Come here. Good girl. Good girl, Molly. Good girl. You have got the worst table manners. Look at how you just gulp it down without even chewing. She always licks her plate clean too. And then Mushroom does this weird thing where she takes some food and puts it out on the floor and then slowly nibbles at it. Piece by piece. Two complete opposite ways of eating. Mushroom takes forever, and Molly is pretty much already done. I'm gonna take a quick break from work to cook some dinner. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I brought my lovely studio assistant to say goodbye with me. Thank you guys so much for tagging along with me on my everyday artist adventures. I know not everyone loves these vlogs, and a lot of you guys are here primarily for the art content. Don't worry, they're definitely going to be coming out very soon. But yeah, for those of you who do like watching the vlogs, I hope you enjoyed it. And also don't forget to download Poshmark. I will leave the link in the description below. A big thank you to them for supporting my channel and for supporting the art community. So yeah, thank you guys so much for all your support and for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You're the best. I hope you have an awesome day or evening wherever you are, and we will catch you in the next video.